Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope that everybody is doing great, right? Okay. Nizere ko mumeze neza cyane rwose. My friend, tugiye kwiga icyongereza. Tugiye kwiga icyongereza. Yes, right now it's English. Yes, my friend. Tugiye kwiga icyongereza. Ariko ikintu mbanza kukubwira twe iyo turi kwiga twiga tuniganira, tukiga dusubiza, no tugirana n'inama, my friend. So some people are afraid of speaking in public. Bamwe mu bantu bafite ubwoba bwo kuvuga muri public mu bantu. Kavuga ninkora amakosa people will laugh at me, abantu baranseka. No, what is that? No, my friend, ntukagire ubwoba ngo abantu baraguseka. Ninde ukwiye kuguseka se? Icyongereza ntabwo wakivukiyemo. Uri umunyeshuri uri kwiga. Iyo umenye ko uri umunyeshuri wemera ko wanakora amakosa. That's normal. Ibyo ni ibintu bisanzwe rwose. Ikosa rikomeye ni kwa kundi wumva ko you have to be fluent, to speak fluent, ugomba kuvuga neza cyane. No man, that's not cool. Wowe ukwiye just kumenya ko you are a learner, uri kwiga. So making mistakes is something normal. Gukora amakosa ni ibintu bisanzwe biraho, right? Ahangaha twe kuri iyi channel tugira ihame rigira riti igisobanuro cyo kuba muri iyi si ni ukwishima no kwihangana. My friend, kwihangana, impamvu no kwihangana tubivuze rero no kwiga hano ku cyongereza nabyo. Ntabwo wabyuka ijoro rimwe ngo uhite umenya icyongereza uvuge nk'abakivukiyemo. No, it's impossible. Kandi ikindi, my friend, ikindi kintu ukwiye kumenya, gike cyawe uzi ugomba kukishimira. Twe tugira amahame abiri: kwishima no kwihangana muri ubu buzima. Yes, ugomba kwihangana. Hari ibintu utakontorora. Ntiwakontorora urupfu, never. Ntiwakontorora ibibazo. Hari ibintu byinshi biza nawe nta n'uruhare wabigizemo, right? Yes, usanga urarwaye ntabwo ari wowe wabigizemo uruhare mu kurwara. Ugasanga urize urabyibagiwe kandi ntabwo utagerageje. Yes, aho ngaho usabwa kugira icyo kwihangana. Iyo wihanganye utangira kwishima, ukishimira iterambere ryawe wagezeho. So my friend, niyo mpamvu rero right now twe tugiye kwigira icyongereza. Twemera ko turi abanyeshuri, twemera ko dukora amakosa. Gukora amakosa it's something normal. For me, I don't care. Kandi for me, I really appreciate. Ngenda nashima. Nawe natangiye mfite ubwoba mvuga ni gute nzamenya icyongereza. Natangiye kuvuga. Yes, sometimes nkakora amakosa. No, n'ubu ndayakora. Yes, nkora amakosa. Yes, kuko ntabwo nakivukiyemo. N'uwakivukiyemo barabati even native stumble. N'abakivukiyemo ngo nabo bajya bakora amakosa, man. So that's why for me I cannot judge myself. Ntabwo nakishinja. It's something normal gukora amakosa, right? So ngenda nabatindiye, reka twigire the phrasal verb. Is a phrasal verb, my friend. Impamvu nazanye umunsi nisomo ry'uyu munsi nazanye is a phrasal verb. Is a phrasal verb urazikeneye. Yes, ziri ku computer ndaje tuzitangire. Ariko izi phrasal verb, my friend, ni ingenzi cyane. Urazikeneye. Impamvu zikeneye ni ziri essential. Mbese ni za phrasal verb ziri necessary, z'ingenzi kuba wazimenya kuko zikunze gukoreshwa cyane. Especially natives, bano bantu bavukiye, bano bantu kavukire nyine bazi ururimi rw'icyongereza, like American and British, abanyamerika ndetse n'abongereza nyine barazikoresha cyane. So that's why, my friend, I suggest, my friend, you got to use them. You got to learn how to use them. Ukwiye kwiga ukuntu tuzikoresha, right? Okay, n'abatindira, let's go. Ahangaha rero twigira tuganira, right? Yes, hari ikintu kinje mu mutwe, ikintu cy'ingenzi cyane kiri related with English learning. Bro, ndakigusangiza. Right. First verb ya mbere ukwiye kumenya rero, my friend, niba uyizi umenye ko now hari icyongereza kidasanzwe. Yitwa wake up. Wake up. Uracyaryamye se? Wake up. Niba nawe ukiryamye, all right. So first verb rero, wake up. Wake up ni ukubyuka. Yes, wake up ni kubyuka. My friend, ini phrase verb nziza cyane. Abantu bakoresha kenshi cyane. So I recommend you to use it daily to day. In everyday life, you got to use it. Ugomba kuyikoresha every day, buri munsi. So kubyuka rero bisobanuye iki? Stop sleeping. Stop sleeping. Guhagarika kuryama. Yes. Ko rero iyo umuntu yabyutse to wake up aba ahagaritse kugira iki? Kuryama. Alright, hano hari easy example rwose, urugero rworoshye my friend. Now easy example man. Hano baravuga bati I wake up at 6 every day. I wake up at 6 every day. Mbyuka saa 12 buri munsi. Mbyuka saa 12 buri munsi. Wowe ubyuka saa ngahe? When do you wake up? Wowe ubyuka saa ngahe? Uratubwira muri comment. Wasanga ubyuka saa 5. I can't believe it, and that's impossible, you know. You can wake up at maybe at 11, you know. That is impossible. You know, kubyuka saa 5 subwo. I don't think so. Maybe wagize akazi, that's possible. Ushobora kugira akazi. Ushobora kugira akazi, that is possible. Maybe kijoro, then ukavuga uti so I'm gonna sleep right now till maybe 11. Yes, ukabyama ku manywa. Yeah, I get you. Niba ubyuka wabyuka saa 5. So for you, when do you wake up? So you will tell us in the comment. Uraza kutubwira muri comment kugira ngo nunibagirwe no phrase verb. Alright, nizere ko my friend, wake up wayifashe. Wake up, phrase verb to wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Alright. So indi phrase verb ya kabiri rero ugomba kubuzi. Yes, ugomba kubuzi ingenzi. Kanirebe kanzuminge. Alright, ugomba kubuzi sit down. Sit down. Haha. Primary bajya gata stand up. Murabyibuka stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Man, goodness, that was really fantastic for sure. Fascinating. Byari bitangaje. Alright, so to sit down bisobanuye kwicara. Kwicara. No, to take a seat, gufata ibyicaro. Oh man, like you going to visit someone, ugiye gusura umuntu, hanyuma he or she tells you, please, could you like that? Tangiye kugusaba, no, take a seat. Would you take a seat like that? Tangiye kuvuga ati so wafata ibyicaro. That's summary saying sit down. Tugiye kuvuga ati sit down. Wakicara. Uzajya muri interview. You know phrase verb, bro. You know phrase verb, bro. Brothers and sisters. You know phrase verb. Uzayumva muri interview. Bazakubwira ngo kwicara. Ngaye bazo utayizi. Bakakubwira ngo kwicara ugatanya ngo oh man, that's not a good. So I don't wish that to be for you. No. I don't wish that to happen for sure. No. Uzajye muri interview. Then kuko iyo unje muri interview, no, naguhita wicara direct. No, you go and you keep standing till they give you a permission to sit down. No, uragenda ugahagarara kugeza baguhaye uruhushya rwo kuba wakicara hasi. No, not hasi. Not hasi. Kwicara, to sit down doesn't mean sitting on the floor. No, ntabwo bisobanuye kwicara hasi. It means like sitting on the desk, taking a seat. No, hari rwose intebe nziza. Right. Nibaza kugira ngo sit down ngo ujye kwicara hari intebe iri hariya, ujye kwicara hasi intebe ihari. No, that's not good. So to sit down rero ni ukwicara, gufata ibyicaro. Yeah. Hano batanga n'urugero. Please sit down and listen. Please sit down and listen. Please umva. Please umva. No, please ikoreshwa nko kwingi. Nyine gusaba umuntu kujya paying attention. Please icara wumve. Icara wumve. Icara wumve. Yeah. Urumva n'urugero nyine. Please sit down and listen. Please icara wumve. Alright. Indi phrase verb rero nziza cyane yitwa stand up. Stand up. Stand up. To stand up rero ni opposite of sit down, you know. Opposite of sitting down it is stand up. Imbusane ya sit down no ni stand up. Guhaguruka. Stand up. Guhaguruka. Hanga wana guturu atinde kuko related na sit down. Guhaguruka. Sit down, kwicara. Stand up, guhaguruka. Right? Hano batanga urugero bavuga bati everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Buri muntu wese yarahagurutse igihe mwarimu yinjiye. Ubwo urumva past participle ya stand up ni stood up. No, stood up. You see it here? Yeah, you see it here. Right. Past ya stand up, it is stood up. Rero mpamvu batanze urugero everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Buri muntu wese yarahagurutse igihe mwarimu yinjiraga. Alright, let's continue. Ubwo rero indi yitwa turn on. turn on bisobanuye iki? To turn on bisobanuye gutangira ikintu, gufungura ikintu runaka. Turn on your phone, turn on your machine, turn on TV, gufungura ikintu, turn on the light, cana itara, yes. Rero all are the same. To turn on ni gucana ikintu, especially electronic devices, gucana ikintu cyangwa se gufungura ikintu. Urugero ushobora kuzakubwira ati turn on the light, cana itara, utangira urebe mu kirere ngo turn on the light. What do you mean? No man, no, they just mean to turn, to turn something, to start something, to start a machine, gutangira ikintu runaka. Yes, urugero turn on the TV, fungura televiziyo twirebere my friend. Nshuti yanjye, fungura televiziyo twirebere, turn on the TV. Turn on the light. Yes, iyo rero no gufungura ikintu. Hanyuma rero indi ya gatanu yitwa turn off. Noneho urumva related na gano wabyibagirwa, ni indusane ya turn on. Turn off noneho ni ugufunga. I remember najyaga mfungura radio nkamariramo nkajya kumva mama araje, Baptiste, please turn off the radio. It is making noise. Yes, gufunga radio irimo gusakuza, or reduce your volume cyangwa se ugabanye volume yawe. Wow, turn on, turn off no gufunga. None mu gihe turn on ari ukugira iki? Gufungura. Alright, twakomeje rero n'indi ya gatandatu yitwa come in. To come in, to come in. To come in, it's similar to enter. Uzagenda ukomanga ahantu bakubwira ati come in. Ukomanga bakubwira come in. Bavuze iki? No, come in is to enter, ni ukwinjira. Yes, to enter, it's to enter. Hano batanga urugero, come in and close the door. Come in and close the door. Injira hanyuma rero ufunge urugi. Come in and close the door. Yes, injira hanyuma rero ufunge urugi. Izere ko come in ni ukugira iki? Kwinjira. Noneho wow, ziko biri kugenda neza, bihura hari bifite opposite. Opposite ya come in ni to go out. Hari kwinjira, hari no gusohoka. To go out. To go out ni ugusohoka. Umuntu naza kubwira ngo go out, mbwete nguvuze gute? No, imwe ko go out, it simply means to go outside, that room you are in. Kujya hanze y'iki cyumba wari urimo, hanze y'iyo nzu wari urimo, like that. To go out. Leave home, to leave home, to leave home. Go outside. Yes, twabivuze. Hano batanze urugero, I usually go out with my friends on weekends. I usually go out with my friends on weekends. Busanzwe njya hanze n'inshuti zanjye. Hano hari ikintu ukwiye kumenya, hari gusohoka mu nzu, ikindi hari noneho kujya ahantu nyine hanze ugahura n'abantu, muvuma y'abantu, muvuma y'ibinyabiziga, like that. Ugahura n'abantu nyine. Uyu nguyu avuga ati nemberana n'inshuti nyine muri weekend, tujya hanze, tuva, ntabwo twirirwa mu rugo, ntabwo twirirwa mu gipangu, ntabwo twirirwa mu nzu, no. Tujya hanze natwe tukagenda, right, tugatembera, tugatarasa. Umbwira muri comment niba uzi iyo terme gutarasa. Twebwe iwacu bakunze kuyikoresha. Nawe uramye gutarasa. Gutembera nyine, right, like that. So indi rero yitwa get up. To get up. To get up. Habari kwibaza ku kigo ndi kuvuga get up kandi ari get. My friend, muri American accent irati ihinduka d. Nyuma uvuga get up, get up, get up, get up. No, get up, get up. No, get up. Yes. Rero muri tuba gukoresha American English, get up. So to get up rero no lies, get up, lies. Urugero wari uryamye, get up. Tubyuka ukeguka, no, cyangwa se wari wicaye ugahita uhaguruka, get up. No, jajuru, get up. Let's get up. Let's all get up. Let's all get up. Reka twese tujye juru. Let's all get up. Hano rero uyu ngo batanze urugero bavuga bati I get up early for work. I get up early for work. No, I get up early for work. Ati byuka kare. Hano it related to wake up. Ariko hano to get up nyine ewana kwibambura ku buriri. Just you wake up quickly bitugenda. So twakomeje rakande kana my friend. Kandi kitwa indi phrase babitwa pull on. Pull on. To pull on bisobanuye iki? To pull on bisobanuye kwambara. To pull on. Munaza kuya ati pull on your clothes. Sakuye ngo ambara imyenda yawe. nakubwiye to put on your clothes umenye ko ari ukwambara. To put on ni ukwambara. Yes, meaning to wear clothes, yo kwambara imyambaro. Hano batanga example, batanga urugero. Put on your jacket. It's cold. Put on your jacket, it's cold. Jacket ni ikoti. Ambara ikoti ryawe cyangwa se no kwati sweater. Yeah. Jacket ni ikoti. Bakwati put on your jacket. It's cold. You know, put on your jacket, it's cold. Ambara ikoti ryawe harakonje. Yes, twakomeje rero indi yitwa take off. To take off noneho bisobanura ari ukwambara, noneho hari na take off. Yes, ari ukuntu umuntu ashobora kuvuga ati please take off your headphones. Cool. No, take off your headphones. Urabibona mundo kuramo iki ekoteri. Take off your headphones. Pull on kuzambara. Take off nukugira iki kuzikuramo. Ahangaha rwose urugero wese kumvikana. Yes, take off your clothes. Ngakuramo umupira. Ngukuremo se? Oh yeah, I can't. So rero ano take off no gukuramo ikintu. Noneho pull on kwambara ikintu runaka. Noneho take off ni ikintu wari wishyizeho ukakikuraho. You know. Hano batanga urugero. Please take off your shoes. Kuramo inkweto zawe. Please take off your shoes. Kuramo inkweto zawe. Alright. Urundi indi phrase verb rero yitwa to look at. To look at. To look at bisobanuye iki? Look at. Look at. Look at. Itegereze. Reba hara hirya. The dog is coming. Kubona batinya imbwa. Now utinya imbwa. Man, I hope that you are not afraid of dogs. No. Look at. The dog is coming. You know, nimuko ati pay attention. See with attention. Reba neza. Reba ni ubushishozi. Imbwa iri kuza. Yes, reba ni ubushishozi hariya. No. Look at the board. You know, look at the board. Reba ku kibaho. Look at the board. You know, reba ku kibaho. You know, like that. Yes, to look at. To look at. Indi ya 12 rero my friend. Indi ya 12 yitwa listen to. Listen to. Listen to. You know, pay attention to sound. Listen. Kumva. To listen to. Listen to the radio. Or listen to the radio. Indi mbona muyizi? Yes, tuzo kuyimbwira. To listen, kumva. Listen to the radio. Umva radio. You know, ivyo bari kuvuga. Ni wumva makuru. Hano barakora ati batanga urugero bavuga bati listen to the teacher carefully. Niko kubwira ati umva umwarimu ibyo ari kukubwira. Listen to the teacher. Listen to. Nuko vuge listen only. Nuko ngo listen on. No, ugisiraho listen to. No, listen to ira to igomba kujya. Alright, twagiye pick up. Pick up none. Pick up no gufata. Pick up. You know, I pick up this notebook. No, I pick up this notebook. Fashe iyi kai. You know, I pick up this notebook. Fashe iyi kai. Nicyo bita to pick up. You know, nicyo bita to pick up. Gufata ikintu. N'ubundi buryo ikoreshwa bavuga to understand. Yes, umuntu muri kuganira hanyuma rero uri kumva ibyo ari kuvuga. You are picking up what he's or she's saying. Yes, to pick up. Hanyuma rero ikindi to pick up gufata. Uzumva umuntu akubwira ati man, why didn't you pick up my call? Why didn't you pick up my phone? You know, kuki utafashe phone yanjye nguhamagara? To pick up. No, to pick up. Phone niyo ndi gukoresha mfata video niyo nangiye kuvuga ngo okay, for example, like to suppose ko yari phone, right? Kugira ngo mubyumve. Iyi ni reka to suppose ko ari phone ariko ni ikayi. Then somebody calls me. Umuntu aramamagaye. Mise ngiye ati hello. Ubwo ngubwo mise pick up. I pick up his phone. You know, he's calling me and let me pick up. You pick up the call. Yes. Hello. Yes, that's what we call to pick up. Yes, to pick up. Cyangwa se to lift something. Ushobora no gufata ikintu. You know, gufata ikintu uko nabivuze. Fashe I pick up this stick. You know, I pick up this stick. Yes, fashe ino nkoni. Right. Nizere ko hano muri kubyumva ari rwose. My friend, niba utarakora subscribe ukabugeze kuri uyu munota. Nawe ntabwo waba uri shyashya. Yes, cross subscribe ufungura akazogera. Ufungura akazogera ujye ukurikirana day to day. Yes. Hanyuma rero indi yitwa come back. You know, to come back no bisobanuye iki? To come back no gusubira ahantu waruri mbere. To come back. Yes, I will come back tomorrow. Ndagaruka ejo kugaruka. I will come back tomorrow. I'm going right now, but I will come back tomorrow. Yes, ndagiye ariko nzagaruka ejo. Yes, I'm going right now but I will come back tomorrow. Yeah, ndagiye ariko nzagaruka ejo. Yeah. Yeah, I remember this happening to my girlfriend kuri sheri wanjye. Najyaga njya kugenda ati wow kugiye ubu ngubu kutashye ndata no it's okay yeah, I'm going right now but I will come back tomorrow. Yeah, ndagiye ubu ngubu ariko nzagaruka ejo. Yeah, my friend, ndabona phrase verb zigiye kuba nyinshi, twari tugeze ku ya 13 ndakeka na 14, ariko ndabona hasigaye izindi nka zingahe. Izi rero turazishyira mu yindi video. Ino video yabaye na ndende, turazishyira mu yindi video. So my friend, ugende ukore practice. Ikindi aka PDF wasura kuri website yacu yitwa Buri Munota Academy. Jya kuri Google searchingamo Buri Munota Academy, utubona website yacu ukayikirikaho, ukagenda ukarebaho n'ibindi bintu bitangwa, inama zitangwa. Yes rero naka ga PDF ndagashyiraho rwose, ugende uko wabasha kukadownloadinga kugira ngo ujye ubasha kuba wakihugura. Utarakora subscribe ukore subscribe. Ndabakunda cyane, mugire ibihe byiza. Hasta la vista.